In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a slide in PowerPoint. Hiding slides can be incredibly useful for various reasons. Maybe you've prepared some additional content for your presentation that isn't essential for all audiences, or perhaps you're working on a version of a slideshow that might be reused later. Whatever your reasons, hiding a slide is a simple process, and seeing how it's done is a great way to improve the versatility of your presentation narratives. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're using a Windows computer, you can do this by clicking on the Windows icon located at the bottom left-hand side of your screen. You can either search for Microsoft PowerPoint or select it if it's readily visible among your pinned applications. Now, open an existing PowerPoint presentation or start a fresh one. Whether you're working on a saved slideshow or creating one from scratch, make sure to add all the necessary elements like photos, tables, and any other content you'd want to have in your presentation. Remember, having a well-prepared slide deck is key to your presentation success. Once you have your presentation open, you can see your slides displayed in the left-hand pane. This is known as the Slides tab, and it's where you can manage the sequence and visibility of your slides. Now, find the particular slide that you want to hide. This could be due to various reasons, such as needing to exclude it for a specific audience or keeping it for future use. After locating the slide, right-click on the slide's thumbnail in that left pane. By right-clicking, you'll bring up a context menu with various options for what you can do with that slide. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it allows for a lot of quick actions within PowerPoint. From this context menu, simply select the option named Hide Slide. When you choose this, what's happening is that PowerPoint will prevent this particular slide from appearing during the presentation mode. It remains in your file, so you can unhide it later if needed. Many people might think that hidden slides are deleted, but they're simply excluded from the presentation flow during a slideshow. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a slide in your PowerPoint presentation. It's that simple. Remember, the slide is still part of your overall presentation. It's just hidden from view during the slideshow. Practice this process a few times, and you'll find yourself even more comfortable with managing various aspects of your presentation content. Thanks for tuning in today to learn this helpful skill in enhancing your PowerPoint prowess.